Tied 3-3. Miami trying to get the momentum. Big run. That boy Fletcher on fire. Woo, look at him stiff arm. That boy look like Ray Lewis. Come on through there. But she on fire. Blessings to the mom. Now this what I call X's and O's. That boy beat him to the spot, see? Then he pivoted off his momentum. Watch he pivot, right there he gone. There you go. Man, he a patient runner. There go Mardu. Let's go, Mardu. Get in there with that boy. Here we go. Turn up the vibe. But them Hurricanes rocking, ain't it? 9-3. 144 left. Let's see what they do, guys. Let's go. Bro, turned up. Happy to yield the spotlight. But an important extra point nonetheless. It's 10-3. Reed in a pocket, got it through. Oh man, what a good catch. Well, he split the needle then. They want to pick up the first down with E.J. Smith. 56 yards. They need 19. There you go. Ooh. But them Aggies going up top. Let's go, Texas. E.J. Smith, the running back. Reed. There you go. Oh, interception. Boy, he did that. No flag on the play. That's it. Game over. Guys, with Miami going for 175 yards on the ground and 5.7 yards per carry, if they get into them quarterfinals, they can make some noise. But yeah, y'all hit that like button and subscribe. Get in there with the vibes, because you know what it is. Let's go.
I love football.